In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to bind pedals in Fortnite PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a DualSense controller Edge. Now, keep in mind that a lot of different controllers and other models will also have pedals. For this video, I'm going to be focusing specifically on this DualSense Edge controller that has the pedals included, and it is officially licensed by Sony. But if you have other controllers that have pedals, such as a SCUF gaming controller for example, you will still be able to bind the pedals to different actions. You just have to do it through the manufacturer's instructions instead. But if you have a DualSense Edge, all that you have to do is access the settings on your console, and in there, go over to the controller category. When you go over to the controller or accessories settings, you will be able to change plenty of options regarding all of the devices connected to your PlayStation 5. So access accessories, and then at the left, you should be able to find DualSense Edge wireless controller. Once you go here, choose custom profiles, and then you will be able to create a custom profile. You can assign a default profile to all games or create a profile specifically for Fortnite, which is what I recommend. Once you name the profile and you go ahead and proceed, you will be able to see all of the customization options. So you can change the assignments, which is the focus of this video, and you can also change the stick sensitivity in the dead zone, the trigger dead zone, vibration intensity, and of course the trigger effect intensity. There are a lot of options to choose from, but to keep this video short, I'm only going to be focusing on customized button assignments. In there, as the name suggests, you will be able to choose any of the buttons connected to your controller and assign different actions to them. So for example, you can bind one of the pedals to the jump button in Fortnite, another one to the build button, and so on. There are a lot of options to choose from, and you will be able to bind those accordingly. I hope I was able to help you on how to bind pedals in Fortnite PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.